Hi.itsShy tribe. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hold up. Because I know y'all ready. Y'all ready for the dance. At this point, if you part of the Shy tribe, I need you to learn to dance. Like, I want us to get to a point to where we have people on TikTok doing the dance. You get what I'm saying? Because this is where it came from, y'all. So, what I be telling my sisters? If you know the dance, then do it with me. And when you do the dance with me, know the dance, okay? All right now. Let me stop playing, y'all. But right now, I'm cleaning up. And what time is it? It is 10:48. So we're it's crunch time. That's why I'm used to doing it. Girl. Child. My niece trying to get my little cousin to come stay over here, child. Lord have mercy. Is it me or like when I clean up, because I don't have kids right now, y'all. I got nieces and nephews. Like, they're my kids. But even when they was over here the whole summer, y'all, when they left, which I tried to do, I still did some cleaning up while they was here. But when everybody went home, baby, I cleaned up my house. Clean. Love a good clean place. Love a good clean place, y'all. But anyway, y'all, so this is what I'm doing right now. I don't like to clean up and the people come behind me and mess up. I ain't got a little children right now. This gonna do that all the time. You hear what I'm saying? So, you know, I like my little area after I clean it up. I want it to stay clean for some days, okay? It's just me now. I know other people's reality, they can't do that. But my reality right now, I can do that. And if you don't stay like that, I got one other person up for the seat. And she already know I don't be playing. But she really have been cleaning up and stuff, so I'm not gonna do too much on Miss Osby. Cause she really have been, she been doing her little one too now. I ain't even mad now, I promise you. Well, cousin say pink, how she say promise pinky. Y'all heard cousin promise pinky. I ain't gonna do Miss Osby too bad. But anyway, y'all, I gotta wash the dishes up. I gotta start cooking the dinner. And I'm gonna do Osby. So I'm doing dinner for tonight and tomorrow. And I'm gonna do Osby her lunch. So yeah, that's what we doing. So y'all had saw, which Osby had been telling me to make her like this. So I take the squash and zucchini and I got the little thing right here and make it into noodles. So I made her that and I made my Alfredo sauce with it and she loved it. So I think I'm gonna make her that again for lunch. And then for dinner tonight, we're gonna have tacos. We're gonna be taco night even though it's Monday. Because I waited too long to turn my beans on. I don't feel like doing all that. So I'm not gonna do that tonight. I'm soaking my beans right now. And then later on tonight, I'm gonna put those in a crock pot. I'm gonna have red beans, rice, cornbread tomorrow. So that's how we're gonna do that. I got a mop, sweep mop, clean up the living room and stuff. Put the clothes up upstairs. So we trying to work fast, y'all. It's 10:52. We won't have too much longer, y'all. So we trying to get it done. So y'all keep watching. If you love a cleaning video, this video for you, okay? And y'all let me know if y'all want to see more cleaning videos. Comment down below. And also make sure you like, comment, subscribe, period. Like, and tell your friend, your auntie, your grannies, you know, everybody that you know at work. If you see somebody and y'all at the red light, just roll your window down and be like, hey, not sure if you watch YouTube or not, but it's a channel that I really want you to watch, okay? I want you to go in there, like, come subscribe to her, let her know that I told you to come over there and watch her, okay? And then y'all can just hold y'all phone out the window like this. This is what y'all can do. Let me show you. Just pull up, be like 1 second, because the light's still red. And we're going to move at the right time, okay? Don't let that bother you. Don't let that worry you. And then you just pull up the channel like this. You go on there, and you be like, this is her right here. Y'all see it? Can you see it? And be like, that's her. And when I tell you her videos are amazing, like, they're the best, okay? You won't go wrong going to watch her channel. And that's how I'm going to do that, y'all. I would really appreciate it, though, y'all. Because we going up, okay? We can't do nothing but go up at this point. Okay? So, y'all, keep watching. Y'all run dishwater or no? Cause I know some people be like, damn, like they damn, like for the dirt to sit in there. But me, I feel like if dishes, first off, my parents always told me to rinse the dishes off first. Rinse them off. Cause what's the point of you putting all that in the dishwater if you just gonna make the dishwater dirty? I don't know, this is just me. And then my parents told me this wasting water sitting up there doing that too. So I got a question, y'all. For people with kids. What age do y'all are y'all going to start making y'all kids clean up? Like house chores or whatever? Or what age did y'all make them start? If they already cleaning up. Like, comment down below, y'all want to know. I just want to know, y'all. It's this lady on TikTok. I cannot think of the mama name, but I know the little girl name is Demi, and then she have 2 twins. I really love that TikTok, y'all. I really do. They're not even from down here either. They from somewhere up north. I love watching their TikTok. I think that's, I don't know. I feel like if you get on my TikTok, you're going to be kind of confused. Because I watch people clean up their house. Well, no, I'm going to just say it's my personality. I watch people clean up their house. I watch videos like that where people like getting their kids ready for school and stuff like that. What else? Oh, the lady, she braid hair. So like, I noticed her because like it would be children that have hair how can I put it? So she called it princess cover up. That's what she called the braids. And like, it be little babies that have like their hair isn't grown all the way out, all the way around. So like, she's able to like grip the hair and braid. Y'all, I love watching it. It's my favorite videos. And then I love watching the process and not process, well, the progress of like how the kids' hair be. And then you can tell like it's not too tight for them, and of course the kids gonna cry and stuff when they get their hair braided. That's normal. As long as the braider, no, for sure they're not braiding too tight, I don't be seeing the problem with it. Because you got some kids that's gonna probably want it. And if you know, you know, you become a real braider, you just gotta go with the flow with that crying and stuff. I'm saying let them sit there and ball their eyes out and you get what I'm saying? But a little crying, come on. And a lot of times they just, I don't even know how to describe it. There's a lot of videos that should be posting. The kids they'll cry and then they'll start talking in the middle crying. Like, very much insane. Well, we love kids, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, I'm really trying to get everything done ASAP. ASAP, no Rocky, y'all. Trying to get her done. Then I gotta go to my grandma's house later on.
I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. No, do nothing at all. Observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it as soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it as soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and and your bitch do it all. Not nothing at all.